Hi. So at the end of 29th of September, let's do a quick analysis about IEX. IEX हम बहुत पहले से ही हम इस पे analysis किए हैं. So it was in a channel. We traded a lot of times in this channel, and also we traded a lot of times over here. And then going forward, ये 480 levels को breach करके today it made an all-time high at 642 levels. So going forward, we are trying to predict of what would be a good technical target for this one. Of course, this is a very strong candle which was made today, and हमने कल से ही इस पे मैंने वीडियो पोस्ट किया था कि this is definitely going in a very nice and good consolidation. And given the sentiment about this particular company, as well as the sector, definitely we were expecting a good move, and today it was able to give us a good move. From a technical perspective, यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि ये एक channel में थी which was between 614 612 or below it dipped towards the levels of 667. When it was trading in these lines, I tweeted that this is going to come for levels of 570, and this is exactly what it came, and this is where we added. And then next I remember in the next two sessions it went towards the levels of 600 plus over here, and then eventually it was again consolidating. And the good thing was, if you look into it, was making higher lows, and eventually it gave a very good breakout together with a good volume. गोइंग फॉरवर्ड हम टेक्निकली हम ये देख सकते हैं कि ये जो एक चैनल थी, इसकी जो डेप्थ थी, दैट रेंज्ड फ्रॉम द लेवल्स ऑफ 570 टू 512ish, सो दैट्स एक्चुअली 42 पॉइंट्स. और अगर हम 40 पॉइंट अभी यहाँ से 410 से देखें तो बेसिकली इट्स कम्स अराउंड अबाउट 650ish. लेकिन from the way this particular stock has actually behaved in earlier times, I think going forward 670 would be a very good target between 665 and 670. That would be a very good target, and let's see, because if the momentum still continues, it can actually go much higher. Just like जब ये channel की breakout आई थी, I was expecting a levels of 520 to 530, and eventually it was met on the very next day itself. And from there it went much higher, and now you can see it's in the 640 region. So you never know, there can always be a good move. So अगर हम 4 मिनट के कैंडल्स 4 आवर के कैंडल स्ट्रक्चर में जाते हैं, so you can see there has been a nice consolidation in this one. There was a huge reduction in volume, which is another good sign, which was already there, and hence I was very much interested in seeing when it was able to move past the levels of 612. We created positions over here, and from there, so earlier in the morning I knew that there were positions getting created at 600 region, so we created over here around about at 600. I didn't create below 590 because I was already carrying some positions from earlier times, and so but eventually you can see it gave a very nice and very good breakout. Then the next 4 hours is spent on consolidation, but you can see it was never able to enter and dip below the levels of 630. Which itself showcases that there is a lot of buying interest, and people are not very eager to sell their holdings. Going forward, definitely we would it can very well come towards the levels of 614 620 levels, and from there again it can should be able to move forward. But given the past way and the past candle structures in the past way this particular script moves, I think going forward shayad we would be seeing the levels of 670 for tomorrow, and let's hope for the best, and let's see at least definitely 650 plus is definitely in the cards, which is some 10 to 12 points from here, which corresponds to nearly 2% for this particular script. So that's all, folks. Let's see how this moves, and of course these are all short-term targets. Going forward, I see that there is a lot of potential left in IEX, Indian Energy Exchange, and going forward there might be even the levels of 700, which might be very well possible. So 700 would definitely be a very good target for the medium term, but we never know how this particular how and when this particular script is going to achieve that. Thanks a lot for listening. This video is going to give you the target about IEX and how I am seeing it. In general, this is a very good company, and definitely, if you know the fundamentals of this particular script, so basically you should be adding in dips and trying to hold it for a longer period of time. At least that's what I'm doing. As usual, this is for educational purpose, and if you want to make an investment or you have some financial query, please consult your financial advisor.